Step-by-step guide on how to do the kettlebell farmer's walk. 1. Place 2 kettlebells on the floor, about shoulder width apart. Stand between them with feet hip width apart. Bend at your hips and knees, keeping your back flat, and grip the handles firmly. 2. Lift the kettlebells. Brace your core. Push through your heels and stand tall, lifting both kettlebells at your sides. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and arms straight down at your sides. 3. Walking. Begin walking forward in a controlled manner. Take small, steady steps while keeping your torso upright. Avoid leaning to one side or letting the kettlebells swing excessively. 4. Breathing and posture. Breathe steadily, keeping your abs tight. Keep your gaze forward and avoid looking down too much. 5. Finishing. Walk for a set distance, e.g. 20-40 meters, or time, e.g. 30-60 seconds. When done, stop, bend at the hips and knees, and place the kettlebells back down safely. Tips for safety and form. Don't shrug your shoulders. Keep them packed down. Avoid rushing. Slow, controlled steps are more effective. Use lighter kettlebells at first to master posture and grip strength. Thanks for watching. Please check my next video.